Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to set up incremental exports using DataChamp. Incremental exports are super useful when you only want to export new data, like orders that have been fulfilled since the last time your report ran. This helps avoid duplicates and keeps your reporting clean and efficient. In this tutorial, we'll create a report that includes only new fulfilled orders, exports the order number column, and runs automatically on a daily schedule. So let's get started. First, click New Report and choose Orders as the report type. Then add the columns you need. For this example, we'll use order number and total price. You can delete the columns you don't need. Next, it's time to apply filters. Start by filtering for fulfillment status equals fulfilled. This ensures you're only exporting orders that are completed. Add another filter for updated at, and set it to include the last 2 days, including today. Now for the most important part, go into the report settings and enable incremental export mode. With this turned on, DataChamp will keep track of what's already been exported and include only new entries in future runs. Once you've got everything set up, click Preview to make sure the results look right. Give your report a clear name like Fulfilled Orders, Incremental, and save it. When you hover over the download icon, you'll see that there are 5 items included in the export. Meanwhile, a new order has just come in. If we now click Run Now again, you'll notice that only this one new order appears in the results. Finally, let's automate the process. Click Set Schedule, choose Daily, and select the times you want the report to run. When you set up a daily schedule, you don't need a date filter, as the incremental export mode automatically includes only new and unexport orders. That's it, your report will now export only new fulfilled orders automatically each day. Thanks for following along. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.